And at the end, you better to say, "Hey, me can Nana Addo, Nana Addo, Nana Kafa." There be a demonstration. There be a demonstration. You call Bankesium and a galamsey. I was saying, Sans and Trump when you not yet monka.
So I'm going to Jubilee say Jolubi House.
Yes,
Sacrum for Nana Addo Crom for.
Yeah, and one way.
Amo,
no musu abwe ya
where are you?
I was a woman in my by the bag Ghana and CMTV. So, Bomb is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend notification. Then next time, videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Some young women on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to for Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, Bomb is like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything. But you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now, and at the end, you better say, "Hey, me can Nana Addo, Nana Addo, Nana Kafa." There be a demonstration. There be a demonstration. You call Bankesium and a galamsey. I was saying, Sans and Trump when you not yet monka.
So I'm going to Jubilee and say Jolubi House.
Yes,
Sacrum for Nana Addo Crom for.
Yeah. One way.
Amo,
no musu abwe ya
where are you?
Tomorrow.
But Samia. Mamma send a message say, "Yam to a bono." Yet ye nip and yan. Asem no kwa no pekra fa
bank ko KB
ye be kan pay yet your man we say mu na mabum yo madwen so mu mpanfo Ghana ha won beta amanyo se machi ayaka kabensem aka so ma ko asem yantia no me demonstration ko block 37 military hospital catch Ghana for mu way ba ku wu na yeden somebody was able to open his mouth to tell the good people of Ghana say Ghana for one way. Ninya galam say and now soldier for men can think and HS or minor ye how kese ye townful kese and the galam say and that's how George or the Lexus in wada
discussing area we see ye nyanyansani bia mekasem say ye discuss ye nya badwin ba bi en free NDC mu. This a T-bone cost we say kofri kwemu we say for 1 year no ne onua no private jet na wato no e na yemfa mo na baso ana okwa force kano a wate so no President High Sense e na yemfa mo na baso ana say dollar na wafa ye sika obi gold reserve obi nyansa obi dina dwene obi dinim die eba bre ye be japade egu hodum na wono no afa ede akoto eye dollar no se wo ba be subsidy no ani no e na ye mo na baso ana sabi de won to nam da akoto brebo liver wo se ye njai no na won fa akuma entwitwa saa brebo no na bibisa wo ama brebo liver yede ekuma ena edwa eye na ntwieti ani yede ekuma edwa. You see this kind of a good deal we say one enkwala good deal we say in politics no yetwemu yatra Akufo Addo kran ko gina ba bi the spokesperson nan ko gina ba bi anka say for the great achievement of Akufo Addo no yemo na baso 1 year of Akufo Addo administration no the first year no na yetimi pinpoint enema Akufo Addo achieve
Kwasia, I don't blame her. I blame the NDC in Kwasia for. NDC in penny for Jimmy. NDC in penny for Muni Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in TS Munya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a farmer one example. Say, and penny for be. Me friend one month fano. Me here with you. And I'll be you. Mini aba hanabisiu. Me kase mini aba because me mame firstborn. Ewo 54 years. Ono ye pe. Enti wo ye me nua ba pani. 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa. Me twa interview wa how. Mame. Me twa interview. Me no na me ne wontam ye fine. Me ba Ghana na ye shia kama me ni nkoto be shia kama ye shia wo ye bisa sika ye bisa ka pre. Ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe. And he say enye me last born. Ye last born. Me nua ba ketua odi machi. Oko private nursing. Owie school. Na adwuma ba be ye problem. Enti se mubetimi aboa no. Na in case e bia mo fa nurses. Na se mubetimi di din ahim amamia. Eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim. Manka se me hia post to be. Manka se me pe abochire bi akọ. Eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim. If you ho me free Ghana eba ha me frɛ wo a wo fa bi me send no message you don't even read me nim se me frɛ wo asabi o wadwen ye o se me besrɛ wo me wan so me srɛ o skada me NDC ni bia de ho amatwefo na afrɛ no ebisa ne sikada. Nobody me can come out and say chairman frɛ me na o se ohia boa ohia ska. Nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again. They see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achemadieda, which of course achemadieda e onua kasa na kumemu ena odi chairman man sreno. Me nyese srefo. It ye fremu na se momfa. E mama dwen nya mo say ye fremu say ye hia bibi o. Fefe na efe. Se me no ntembe kama. Fefe na efe say na ye adwumaden. Enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time. Eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia de na omonsa. What have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say me boa me campaign and I say me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai. With musabu what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barre. Mo de credo at mo panty mo. No problem. Me an also boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem. Mo de montina se na mutrim nya den. Na mo no matamfo. Na omo a edo NDC mo nto ye ntwene. O hine mabọ mo ba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka say ye fremo kra mo fa biem. Nurudin Abbas mo nyina. Na ye ne mo a na ekọ na eba o. Ene he ohun ko kra ofa. Wagye ne se me froze me hia ka. And I say me froze me hia dan and I say me froze me ministerial bibia na mo bodam. Say, I can't be me saka. Se kwasi aba wait na Ghana ha ye campaign tia mo na se ne. Mwatimi sponsor me say onko UK nko kire kwasi asem dia. Ene ye mo kire Ghana for say the easiest way to win the love of NDC is to be against them, insult them, and campaign against them. When they get power, they will come and help you, the one who campaigned against, against them, yeah, whilst neglecting those who campaigned in favor of the NDC. Usubain, tried and tested. We know how you people operate and do your things. Boys, snake, I say, your friend, more funny. They say, be a boys, no, of course. Bobo omwa enche omo na so fefe na efe se obi e campaign ma NDC ne isa ni pa betimi atwe phone afre wo hanabisiu afre NDC mu mpanimfo bi na magye ne so etise kakakra o we de beti won ka che etise kra kakakra efe etise kakakra mpo efe ye new ambassador waba Nairobi hasi or your former western regional Minister, Mr. Addo. Oba ya me kwachia no. Na ni agi say to me frame etisen dia na ekoso odwuma no say nesi kwani efe. Me nka sebi uluman emfa me nkwa agbochi na say wonya behwe. But say ne ye so ya na say ne ye ani paka ne ho ben wo appreciating the fact say who you be a wo ye adwuma bo ani party say po kekekura efe. No na ni papa o. Amodi agimi eni atrimodin neglect etrimodin ya na dem bia me kase Ghana ha ye ka omu a etrimodin pa aibefo ene ntafo omtrimodin bruta omo so na edoso wo NDC ene me ka ni pain ewes awonafo ene etrimodin cho Awunani be say awunafo be enum timi kopia brochire ya mu abusuani ba kompo the same thing applies to northerners ye tribu den ye ni wa de che onche osika the same thing applies to ewes now so you say sa ompe otwe kura asemu a uyi ni mrika yam pass and the four asem kura asandefo eba giving asandefo trimu nya di omsem omre asantini ba akotumi kopie yayi abrochire US landing within 10 years na nebusuafo be ensia enson ase so mu nyina akọ ewani onye obesa kra to oduru kra sa eku not the na penny onye omutrimo sum omutrimo odin. That is why where they are is like that, because a won kra bunya ska ye nko ekromu nkosiesie ho da omu nyina egu akra ye sorry a na asandefo ho nsem na ye ka mi ho ano asandefo sikafo nyina even if you see them in Accra almost die okumase almost die we yekurom anwonafo ntesa not nesentesa enemo nne almost na edoso NDC mu omutrimo odin. I'm telling you people, me say the American me say Ghana for a pen of credit penifo name asantini ba akoko pia bochire na busuafo nyina enyo nyina de I'm talking in terms of so yi asade 420 a emu 15 ko pia bochire na busuafo nyina obeya manasa obia ewes oboa your parents obefi na chu asan and therefore chia etimo sumtimo dini edi omusubaina na NDC penifo pi na nso afa yenyi aye mo amogbo NDC yenyi mo aye da me ebesi ne obia ni ho a wache phone pokra freme aka say bia o chairman mo ye aduma pa na party no damase nobody iti ana me ka say binum ka say and you are on payroll maybe payroll asia na me say me monthly me can say expenditure ampo de chire NDC don't run away from me. Sika me spending in a month me say send the man NDC don't run. No I can say obi da payroll so me da payroll so NDC na hwe me. Share when ya NDC hwe me. Can they pay my rent? Can they pay my bills? Oh but damn. Me ya men kasa pi nti mo de se mo sise ya na mo pay na mo de mo kon sa. Guy boys na twem was down. Grassroots for asiel for omo twem. Se mo de mo say kwasiafo say ya na mo de musika ebua omo a the boys are waiting for you. They are down there, they are waiting for you. Na enchenche bia wona fe eden ya ma pani mahama ne mre betwem
papa bi wo ho nti bune dan no gua na we dey parties we nyu abiro next time me yan ade be ye careful me da na me ti oboot nyimpa na la ye ne den ye ne papa obaka ye ne bono ye ne bon na oka na we hu that na ye
so omunyina ye Ghana fo
no ami ko bu edana me ye togwenyi wo dansi insuma ye buga eze ya Ghana na ami bu dan me ye togwenyi nyam Ghana yi no olubu den nya national development in term ibudano. We must be bold so that obirija we hunda politics no they are reward and punishment. So once I can reward now, you can get the punishment.
Now say Marcus
Magda Daniel na niema gu abontene. Magda ni niema gu abontene gunsuo.
MPP fa nko bakedo wenja no ye Ghana Magda no ofi
Magda Daniel niema nya gu abontene.
Ofida home.
Yeah, yiri niema gu abontene.
Magda no ofida home. Next time you go to Aba, you NDC on him, don't mind me, Muntum and Kada Bibi down, but all your mistake no question down be obey.
And I no Casay, me no Casas here, Casua on Mendra. A police a coach where you ubikunu, dear Sema, Asuma Negirison to prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days. Wa Bonnie Union Suman and Yahono and Romocofano. President Mahama first one or buy a part 1. Ugu aware bebre through dum so. Part 2, sisi osanso gu aware through aviator, electricity prepaid aviator, wakofa di aba beto yeso.
Na president mama oba wa kramita bi.
Na on kramita man na akufo at the time na say na etua electricity wa hanum. Sa na eto prepaid ukroma. Wonko a oba ensema o kan o ka kire say obe man cheap electricity. Oba ya wo di akọ 28 ahen water and then kwofo nchichire ice block enso ayesine so mo ye vortic e wo mu fie aden pin koso wo man mu nkofo bra na ebre kyerɛ sɛ dum so asan so unity ɛnɛ me no ka sɛ adenta kyerɛ hɔ no nkofo the light da dum so mu 24 hours yɛn so am light. What is happening in this country? ɛna ne yɛ kasa mo so me yɛ ka aso obi asoro papa no wɔ kurom ha obi asoro President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani ni bi sɛ wasɛm President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani